Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna do a little kitchen table refresh. I just want to do this to kind of uplift my spirit. Sometimes when I'm feeling down, I like to clean up and it makes me feel better. So I picked these beautiful placemats up from Hobby Lobby. I think I got them for like 40 cents. They were like 90% off. So yeah, I like to clean my spaces. That always helps me to feel better. And this is a base that I picked up from the thrift store, and I DIY'd it. I did the black gloss on one side and the white matte like acrylic paint on the other, and then I did those gemstone embellishments down the middle. And I'm gonna put some florals in here from the Dollar Tree. This is the first set. I'm gonna do 3 sets and you tell me which one is your favorite. So yeah, I like to refresh my areas just to kind of give me an uplifting spirit. What do you do to help uplift your spirits? I used to spend money, but as I matured, I realized that's not a good thing to do. So this is the second one. All these florals are from the Dollar Tree. And so just let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite, number 1, 2, or 3. And what do you do to kind of get out the funk? Like if you feeling down, what do you do to kind of pick yourself up? I like to clean up and redecorate on a budget, that is. So this is the second floral arrangement. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Miss V. I focus on budget-friendly content like this, reusing items you already have in your home to decorate your spaces. This is the third floral. So let me know which one was your favorite.